Hey guys, welcome to another week of online digital learning. This week I'm going to walk you through Module 3, so let's go get right into it and open up First Block folder for American Literature. Let's go into the Digital Learning folder and let's go into Module 3 and take a peek inside and see what we have. So if you are still missing Module 1 and Module 2, you can go ahead and turn those in anytime. Just keep on working on those. I understand. Oh, we got a couple people, one person already looking in Module 3 now. Okay, so let's walk you through this. We finished the Glass Castle. You're completely done with it. You took Quiz 4 on Friday, and you're supposed to be done with it already. So if you haven't taken it yet, go ahead and take that. I think the Quiz 4 was only like 2 short answer questions, so it's a nice and easy quiz. It's not very long, so go ahead and do that and get your credit for that. This week we're going to start working on reading our next play, probably our final class reading that we're going to do in this semester is going to be the A Raisin in the Sun, which is a play by Lorraine Hansberry. And so if you want to start reading it, well, you need to start reading it. Go ahead and open the full text. This is the PDF of the play, so you can go ahead and start reading it through there, or you can find a different version, or if you have a copy of the book laying around your house, go ahead and pick that up and read it. It's up to you. So if you're not really into reading it on your own, because starting a new play or something that you're unfamiliar with can be kind of daunting, so you can go ahead and open up this. I linked you to a YouTube video of A Raisin in the Sun reading the first act. So the actors, the characters will read the play to you. So that's kind of an easy way to do it. If you have it on Audible, great, but that's one way of doing it is going to YouTube and clicking that link. If you start reading the play and you're just like, I'm totally confused by this, what the heck is happening, then go into Thug Notes. This is a good overview of the entire play, give you kind of like a broad outline of exactly what you're dealing with this play, what's going on, who the characters are, what's the main conflict that you need to be thinking about throughout the entire play, because there's one central conflict that revolves around money, an insurance check for $10,000 that's important to kind of consider throughout reading the entire play. So think about that, watching the overview. It's funny, and it's a very quick overview. What you have to work on is Act 1 questions are due by Sunday at 10 p.m. just like always. I try to keep things very standardized for you guys. So we start on Monday, you end on Sunday. That's not going to change the rest of the semester. So go ahead and do the Raisin in the Sun study questions, and then you only have to do Act 1, answer those on a separate sheet of paper, and just take a picture, upload them, do it however you feel comfortable doing. I've been great with any way of submitting. As long as you're submitting, I'm happy. I'm getting that content, and I'm putting it in your personalized folders to save it, okay? And then for number 6, nice and easy, this module is very brief and short. It's kind of an introduction to the book. Does money bring happiness? As again, we're considering this family receives an insurance check for $10,000, and the family debates and has a big kind of a fallout actually in the family of how are they going to spend this money? Where's the money going to go? And so it gets into kind of different details that you'll kind of see when you watch the YouTube video of what exactly is happening. I'm not going to explain it all here. Next week is spring break, so you guys get a break from these modules that you always keep on getting every single week. That for some of you are like, yeah, it's nice and easy. Other people are like, oh, I don't have time for this. So try to make time, guys. You kind of understand what's going to be on your plate each week. Try to set aside time to complete some of my work for your class so you don't fall behind. The worst part about digital learning is falling behind. So you do not want to, at the end of the semester, have to make up 3 or 4 modules and just sit there 4 or 5 days in a row just doing all this work. That's not going to be any fun whatsoever. So try to just stay up on it, stay current, and that's going to be the best advice that I can give you, okay? If you don't have any other questions, guys, hit me up through Remind, reach out to me, and that would be the best. If you need to call me, let me know if you need to talk on the phone or anything like that. If you have any kind of questions that goes kind of beyond the Remind, just Remind, text me and let me know if that's the case. And I've talked to a couple students on the phone, and it's kind of like help them process some of the things. So let me know. I'm available. I'm here for you. So I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you.